Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Tourism Ministry says visitors to Jamaica are spending more money. The Director of Tourism says the visitors are also staying longer in the country. The Tourism Ministry says there were more than 2 million stopover arrivals by the end of June, earning the country more than $2 billion. Director of Tourism Donovan White explained this also coincided with an average spend of at least $20 more per visitor per night.
Our visitors are staying slightly longer in the destination, which is good, but they're also spending more. Spend is up around about $183 per night per visitor in the destination.
That's moving from an average $160 per night per visitor. He says projections for the remainder of this year are also encouraging.
Our forecast is 3.88 million visitors January to December, with an estimated spend or forecasted spend of $4.2 billion in the destination. For 24, those numbers grow to 4.59 million visitors and 4.3 billion in earnings. And in 2025, our anticipation is that we will achieve our stated goal, which we have stated globally, publicly and globally, of achieving 5 million visitors to the destination and earning over $5 billion in earnings.
He was speaking at the JPEX Tourism Trade Show in Montego Bay, St. James, which ended on Wednesday. Scotia Group Jamaica says it is still testing the new polymer banknotes for deployment across its network of automated banking machines, ABMs. Head of Retail Banking and Small Business at Scotia Group Jamaica, Perrin Gale, says the rollout could start in a matter of days.
We are now running pilots at a number of locations that have been going well, and we expect within the next 2 weeks, should nothing else arise, to be able to start the deployment across our network of IDMs, which will allow us to be able to access the new polymer notes at the IDM. So things are moving in a very positive direction, and we should have some more news to share shortly.
Let's head to today's foreign exchange trading. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.72. $115.29 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $193.67, while it's costing $168.77 for the euro. The JSE index increased by 129 points, while the junior market gained 43 points. Among the 43 winners were ISP Finance Services, Cargo Handlers, JMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, JMB Group 7.5% shares, and First Rock Real Estate US dollar shares. Now among the 41 losers were Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, Productive Business Solutions 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, and Everything Fresh. Now 20 stocks ended the session at the same price they started trading Thursday morning. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.